So I am back with another video, and this one is going to be brought to you by the company Eva Wigs. They sent me over this full lace bob wig. This one comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, no comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And I did go ahead and add an elastic band on just because this one's a little bit big on my head. I also did cut this part out because I feel like it's in the way and it's not needed. Before I get started with the specs, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do your girl a favor and show me some love and hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. So this is their natural black bob. This is in the length 12 inches. It's 150% in density. I do have a medium brown lace color, and this is an average cap size. So a little bit about this bob. You guys won't believe me when I tell you I did not bleach the knots. And y'all see how well that blends into my skin. No knots were bleached at all. I just washed the unit and just let it air dry and combed it back so that I could style it on camera, but I didn't have to bleach the knots. So we're going to see how well I can make everything blend in since I didn't do anything extra. But I feel like this medium brown lace is perfect on my skin tone, so there was no need for me to do anything extra. Today, I am going to go ahead and adhere this down using a little bit of my Got to Be Freeze Spray, and then I will be putting a little bit of the yellow Got to Be gel on the sides just to make sure that it sticks down. And as you guys can see, like I said, it blends in very well. Now this cap size was a little bit big on me. This is an average cap size, so I did have to add a band on, and I still found that I had a little bit of room left in the back. That's usually what happens to me when I get a full lace unit, unless I get the exact size that I need. But lately I haven't been adding too many bands on my units if they fit me very well. I'm just gonna make sure that I put this on properly. I am still getting used to using the glue. You guys know, well, I'm not gonna say the glue because it's gel, but I'm still getting used to using the gel. You guys know I'm just like a freeze spray girl, but when it comes to the side, sometimes you just need a little bit extra. So I went off of camera and I tied this down with a scarf, and I think it came out very well. I have to work on my size a little bit more, but it came out very clean, so I didn't have to worry about it looking sticky or tacky, because the first couple of times I was doing this method, it was coming off like very sticky. But as you guys can see, like, look how good it blended into my skin. Yes. Like I said, this cap color is very nice, and I feel like I don't have to really do too much to this unit. If you see anything brighter underneath, that is the cap that I am wearing underneath the wig. So I'm just gonna figure out exactly where I want this to be. I thought about doing a middle part, but I said no, let's go for a right side part, because I just gave y'all a left side part video and I have a middle part bob coming already. So I said I'm not gonna bore y'all too much with the middle part, so we're gonna try to make this look as natural and rocking it as a right side part. You guys can see I'm just taking my wand curl and I'm just running over the top of this unit just to lay everything down and give it a better foundation. And then I will go in with my Kaposi flat iron and I'm just going to start straightening this out. This is the bigger flat iron. The company did send me a smaller one, so I appreciate everybody who bought the flat iron, this one, because a lot of you guys purchase this flat iron. If you purchase it, make sure to leave a comment down below and tell me what you thought about it. But this flat iron is very well. Like I said, you just have to be very careful because it can get really hot, and I've probably burned myself a couple of times since using this flat iron. The length of this unit is very nice. It is perfect for every day, and this is a really good density, which I love. Now this is a silky texture, but on the website, I'm looking at the website right now, you do have the option to choose between a silky texture and then also a yaki texture. So I think the yaki texture would look even more natural, because this one doesn't look bad at all, and this one doesn't have like a high sheen to make it look very shiny. So imagine it being a yaki texture, this would definitely set it off. Unit also has an option of getting a pre-plucked hairline or having a natural hairline. This is pre-plucked, so I would highly suggest getting this one. It is the perfect pre-plucked density. It's not over plucked and it's not too thick, because some companies will tell you it's pre-plucked, but you still have to go in and do a little work. But with this one, I didn't find myself having to put in any extra work with the hairline. I didn't pluck the parting space or anything. And as you guys can see, I haven't even added powder yet. So now I'm just going in with my Care wax stick, and everything that I use, I usually leave like a big old list down below to where you guys can see what I'm using. Now I'm just going in with my edge brush and I'm just brushing everything out so that it could look really nice and sleek. With this unit, I didn't notice a lot of flyaways. However, I did see a couple of short hairs, so the wax stick definitely takes care of any frizziness and it helps to lay down everything. I really do love this wax stick. You guys know I told you I was iffy about it at first because of the price, but as you guys can see, I've been using it a lot in my videos. Just going in and kind of touching up the front of the hairline, just making sure everything looks nice and neat. That little hair was just getting in my way. Now I'm just going to take my flat iron and kind of just put a little bit of bump to it just at the very front, so it could look like it has a little bit of layers, because I didn't do any cutting to this unit, and so far it looks really good. I did notice I had to go over the very top a couple of times, and you guys will see me continue to mess with it because I noticed like a little bit of humpage right in that one area towards the back, so I think I had to comb some more hair back. But now I'm just going to tuck this behind my ear because I think it looks really good, and the way I have this kind of melted down, it just looks really natural. So here is where I am messing with the top of the unit once again, because it just was like sticking up. It did not want to lay the way that I wanted it to lay, so I had to take a piece and kind of comb it back. I'm taking my scissors and just kind of cutting some sideburns just to make it look a little bit more natural, because I like this hair tucked behind my ear a lot. So I'm just going to make sure I cut that, you know, short to where it's going to look natural, and then I'm going to make sure I slick it down using that wax, and then I'll just be taking my edge brush and just kind of combing everything in. And as you guys can see, that looks good. It's all starting to come together. Now I'm just going to take my Ruby Kisses 3D Creator palette, and I'm just going to go in between that part and also in the front of the hairline and just clean everything up to make sure it's all blended in, because I did not bleach the knots. Now these knots weren't super dark, so a little bit of powder will definitely make it look really natural. I am all finished now. I think I did everything I wanted to do with the bobs. I'm just checking myself out, and this is how the parting space and the hairline look. Look how natural and good that looks, guys. Like, this is bomb. This wig is definitely cute. The length of this unit goes all the way up to 16 inches. I have the 12-inch once again. I even think that this would be cute in a 10-inch. Like 10 inches would definitely work out. But on this is definitely nice. I didn't notice any uneven pieces, and if you don't want this in a full lace, you can also ask them, do they carry this in a lace front? It might save you a couple of coins. Of course, you guys know I have a coupon code, and they also have like a little Black Friday thing going on. If you do purchase a full lace wig, you do get an extra 25% off. If you purchase a 360 wig, it's 20% off, and any lace front wig is 18% off. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this cute bob unit, and do you prefer to rock longer lengths in the fall and winter time, or are you okay with rocking bobs all year round? For me, I don't care what time of the season it is. I love my bobs. Like, they will never get old. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.